Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
The US economic calendar might seem quiet, but brace yourself for an action-packed week ahead. We have major events brewing in the UK and Europe that are likely to send shockwaves through the market. Keep a close eye on both inflation and the Bank of England's rate decision, as they are expected to cause a spike in volatility. But that's not all. Stick around till the very end, because we have something special for you. We'll be sharing our expert technical analysis on foreign currencies, indices, and commodities.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In the world of currencies, the US dollar is making a comeback after experiencing significant losses due to weak economic data. Meanwhile, the Japanese yen is weakening as the Bank of Japan keeps interest rates at record lows. Turning our attention to digital currencies, Ethereum's prices have seen some fluctuation. Traders are carefully assessing the Federal Reserve's hawkish stance for the remainder of 2023. With a mix of fundamentals and technical signals, Ethereum experienced a decline earlier, but managed to regain some ground. Now let's shift gears and see what's happening on Wall Street. It's a fascinating turn of events as investors who were once worried about having too much exposure to equities are now concerned that they may not have enough. The S&P 500's impressive 15% year-to-date rally has enticed previous hesitant investors back into the market. Moving on to commodities, oil prices are on the rise, making their first weekly gain in several weeks. Increased Chinese demand and limited OPEC supply have boosted the value of this vital commodity. Despite the looming prospect of rising interest rates and a recession fear, oil continues to show strength. Lastly, let's talk about gold. This past week has been a rollercoaster ride for the yellow metal, with volatile price action sending mixed signals. Market participants are puzzled by the Federal Reserve's recent pause and unclear economic projections. The US dollar faced significant selling pressure after the Fed's decision, which provided some relief for gold. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, our expert technical analysis. First up, GBP USD. The cable is currently hovering just below a crucial resistance level. A close below 1.278 could trigger a correction back down to 1.269, while a break above the resistance with a close above 1.285 could ignite a rally to 1.3. Next on our radar is the Nasdaq 100 analysis. US Tech is trading above a significant diagonal support line. Keep a watchful eye on the support level at 15,050. A break below it with a close could trigger a sell-off back down to 14,800. Shifting our focus to crude oil, WTI has started the day on a slightly bearish note, watching for a close below 70.6 as it could ignite a correction back down to 69.6. However, a close above 72 might reignite the bullish momentum, propelling this commodity towards 73.5. Finally, let's analyze the gold market. The yellow metal is currently trading within a relatively tight range. If we witness a close below 1953, brace for a decline back down to 1943. On the other hand, a close above 1966 could trigger bullish momentum, potentially driving the price up to 1980.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the force be with you. Cheers.